Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Deanin It Yourself. Today's video, I got a quick one for you here. I got a broken shower head. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. So if you guys have an old shower head that you just want to replace, or you have one that's broken, stick with me. I'll show you guys how to do it in a few easy steps. Alright, first things first guys, here we have the arm for our shower head. If you have a shower head like this and you want to keep this piece here and just change the shower head, all you need to do is remove it from here by just loosening it with a pair of pliers or a pair of channel locks, and you can put on your new shower head. However, in this case, I'm going to be upgrading this arm to a more modern style. Now, the arm is screwed in behind the wall here, and this plate covers it. So what we need to do first is remove this plate, and then we're going to unscrew this arm from the pipes in the back. Sometimes these plates are held on with caulking or silicone, and in this case it is. So what you want to do is take a knife and work your way around to cut that silicone. Once you have it free, you should be able to either twist it or use the aid of a screwdriver and pry it off. There you go. And it comes off. You can see here they use some expansive foam just to seal this up. Here you can see is the caulking that they put around it when they did the installation. If you have this, you can go ahead again and just use your knife to remove any excess caulking. With the caulking removed, we're going to go ahead and unscrew this. All you got to do is twist this counterclockwise. In some cases, you may be able to do it by hand, but if it's too tight, you can use a pair of channel locks to grip the pipe and twist it to see if you can loosen it. Here we go. Once you got it loose enough, you can loosen it by hand. As you can see here, we removed it. Behind the wall here, there's a threaded receiving end, which we're going to thread our new arm into. The first thing we want to do is we want to start out by putting on some Teflon tape around the threads of our new arm. And this is just to help prevent any leaks. Remember, once you're threading this on, you want to thread it in the same direction that you're going to be turning the pipe so that the Teflon tape doesn't become undone. The next thing we want to do is slide our Escution plate onto the arm before we start threading it. You don't want to do that after, because then you're going to have to take off the shower arm to put it back on. So all we do now is we line it up with the hole, and you start turning. The idea now is to get this nice and tight. In some cases, you may want to use the end of your channel lock in the hole to twist it to line it up if it's too tight. That way you don't scratch the finish. And once you're done, you can slide your Escution plate back to the wall, and the installation is now complete. The final step is to put on the shower head. And again, we're going to go ahead and put some Teflon tape here around the threads to prevent any leaks. Once you have a nice bead of Teflon tape around the shower arm, it's now time for the final step, which is to screw in our shower head. In this case, I went with a modern look, and all it is it's got a nut here, which just screws into the arm. Once we got it nice and snug, you can use a pair of channel locks again to grip it, just to give it that extra turn if you need to tighten it a little bit more. Again, be very careful if you're using channel locks to make sure you grip it tight so it doesn't scratch. And once you have it tight, you're now complete. And the installation of your shower head is now done. And you've now successfully upgraded your shower head. And that's it, guys. You can turn the water on, check for any leaks. And if they are, you can tighten the nuts. Welcome back, guys. Hope that was easy enough for you. We upgraded our shower head to a more modern style. If you guys have the same issue or you're thinking about upgrading your shower head, go ahead, tackle it. It's not that hard. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to my next video. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this valve as well. For those of you who are thinking about giving a little bit more modern look to your shower valves, stay tuned for the next video and I'll show you guys how to do it. In the meantime, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.